everyone and welcome to today's video. Today's video is going to be about how to fix Snapchat app crashing in 2026. The first and foremost thing that you can do is head over to settings on your device, scroll down to find Snapchat, tap on Snapchat, down to find storage, and then clear the data and cache of Snapchat. If there are any corrupt cache files causing this, then the problem will be solved. The other thing that you must check for on your device is the storage of your device. For that, head back over to settings, tap on device care. Under device care, tap on storage and make sure that you have at least 2 GB of free storage space on your device. If you do not and your storage is almost full, you can delete any videos, images, audio files or documents that you no longer need. The other thing that you must try is head over to Play Store on your device, search for Snapchat in the search bar. Then if there are any updates for Snapchat, you must update the app. Final thing that may fix your problem is by heading over to settings, scroll down to find software updates, and then hit download and install. If there are any software updates for your phone, make sure to update it to the latest version. For any further questions, please feel free to leave a comment down below.